Drink this kava, you feel better in just few seconds. Phlegm is type of mucus produced in the lungs and lower respiratory tract. It is most noticeable when a person is acutely sick or has a long-standing health condition. Mucus form a protective lining in the certain part of the body even when a person is well. So let's start our home remedy. First ingredient is warm water. Not only recommended by many health experts, drinking hot water relaxes throat and gradually heals chest congestion. Drinking hot water helps in dissolving mucus in respiratory tracts and relieves congestion chest. So now we take 1 glass of warm water. Second ingredient is apple cider vinegar. The acid in apple cider vinegar thins our mucus in the throat. This helps the mucus to move out of your respiratory system more quickly. Loosening phlegm can help you feel like you are on the way to recovery. There are also some reason to believe that the acid in apple cider vinegar can work to kill pathogens that are making you sick. Apple cider vinegar is rich in same nutrients that you would found in apples too. Potassium, vitamin C, antioxidants and vitamin E are just part of the nutrition compounds in apples. Eating apples might contribute trusted source to better lung functions according to some research, so it makes sense that apple cider vinegar might help your breathe easier. So put a 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar in the warm water. So our third ingredient is licorice powder. Licorice root used for centuries as a sweetener and has been used for its medical properties for almost as long. Among its medical properties are its actions as a demulcent, soothing, protect damaged or inflamed tissues, and an expectorant, assist in the expelling of old thick mucus from the throat and lungs, same as robotition are. In traditional Chinese medicine, licorice arcanco has been used for thousands of years for all kinds of lung conditions. Traditional uses also indicate also for abdominal and lungs, spasms and sore throat and skin sore. So put 1 pinch of licorice powder in the glass. So our last ingredient is turmeric powder, as turmeric is loaded with an active compound referred to as curcumin. It helps in dissolving mucus. It also relieves chest congestion and its healing properties kill bacteria and treat cough and cold. So in the last, we pour 1 pinch of turmeric powder in the glass. Now we mix all ingredients with warm water. It's look like a drink kava. Drink this kava, you feel better in just few seconds. Thank you for coming here. If you have any question about this home remedy, so tell us in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.